Well, good morning, boys and girls. I want to show you my new wireless doorbell. I picked this up at Canadian Tire this morning, and I really kind of like it, and I just want to show you it because I'm going to be installing it probably down next to Laurie's tent. You know, I think his tent needs a doorbell, but I'm going to hide this. I'm going to hide the speaker so you won't be able to find it. And then randomly at night, with my wireless remote, I'm going to play him some songs, like or maybe even this. I think you'll like it. So this is a hunting tower, and this is a little spot I've mowed out around the tower, and this is where Laurie's going to be doing his Canadian camping. You know, in the wilderness, kind of. And up in the tree, just behind where Laurie's going to be camping, I mounted the doorbell. Now I'm going to camouflage it with a piece of a green army towel. Now Patrick and I tested the doorbell earlier today, and it'll activate right from my trailer, which was rather nice. Now let's get this. There we go. I don't suspect a thing. So it'll be camped right out there. Doorbell, cleverly disguised. And from the comfort of the campers up on the hill, I'm going to set it just for coyote, though. Not moose or elk. Yeah, you can't see that from out here at all. That dark towel just blends in with the rest of the wood. Yeah. So Laurie's going to be armed with a couple of air horns, because that we're going to tell him that that'll scare all the animals away. So every time we push that button, I expect to hear an air horn going off. So Laurie, you're all moved into camp down there? How is it?
Excellent, and will be even better.
Yeah.
I declare my official territory. Happy Mark.
Yeah, I see the flags up. I'm going to go for a tour later with you, and you can tell me all about your camp.
Later, we'll show you. Give me some minutes to finish.
Yeah.
We're working over there.
Yeah, I'm sure they are.
I have a group of working over there.
Yeah, Mexicans, no doubt. Or Guatemalans.
No Mexican here? All right. No, my diplomatic group is Cubans.
Okay. Yeah, that's good.
Lore, Skinny, Lorraine, Rambo, all these guys are my group.
We'll see them all later, I'm sure.